Understanding the phrase, put out a fire, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, put out a fire. This is a phrase you might come across in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in. The phrase, put out a fire, literally refers to the action of extinguishing a fire. This is what firefighters do. They use water, foam, or other substances to stop a fire from burning. This literal meaning is straightforward, but in English, we often use this phrase in a figurative sense. In a figurative sense, put out a fire is used to describe dealing with an urgent problem or crisis. It's like saying there's a situation as serious as a fire, and it needs immediate attention. For example, if your boss says, "I need you to put out a fire with our client," they mean there is an urgent issue with the client that needs to be resolved quickly. 1. In the workplace, our team had to put out a fire when the project deadline was suddenly moved up. 2. In personal life, I had to put out a fire when my car broke down on the way to the airport. 3. In public situations, the mayor had to put out a fire when the new policy caused public uproar. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various scenarios. Use it to emphasize urgency and the need for quick action. It's a metaphor, so it's best used in informal or conversational settings. Be aware of the context. In some situations, using it literally is more appropriate. And that's a wrap on the phrase, put out a fire. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding the context and culture behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.